So the training materials that were developed in IRIStart are fully embedded in the quality assurance framework for vocational education and training that allows to ensure the quality of all of the training materials and all of the courses that were developed in IRIStart. These courses were fully aligned with the learning outcomes approach, and they are also modular and embedded in the micro-credential approach, meaning that the training developed in IRIStart is fully aligned with current practices for vocational education and training and also for higher education when it comes for quality assurance and also micro-credentials. So the training materials of IRIStart are aligned with European qualification frameworks 4 to level 8, meaning vocational education and training, or VET, until the higher education. And this allows IRIStart training materials to be embedded in VET provision and also higher education provision to ensure that workers have the opportunity to upskill and reskill in line with the lifelong learning approach, and also to attract young people to the agri-food sector, which is actually one of the, or some of the main purposes of the Pact for Skills. This means that IRIStart is also fully aligned with those purposes and contributes for the achieving the main purposes of the Pact for Skills. The IRIStart training provision is embedded or comprised by 12 occupational profiles, and this allows us to feed, so to speak, the ESCO qualification areas. And so all of the training materials developed are also aligned with these 12 occupational profiles. The quality assurance framework help us also to ensure the quality not only of the training material, the training courses, but also the quality of the training materials that were developed. To ensure the quality of all of the materials, the IRIStart partners developed those materials based on a quality assurance cycle. First, they planned, based on an analysis of the skills needs from the agri-food sector. Then they developed the training materials, and then they assessed the training materials in terms of quality and relevance. And for this, a set of pilots were developed involving students and also teachers, and they were asked also to reply to quality assurance framework for vocational education and training indicators, such as the participation rate, the satisfaction rate regarding the training materials, and others that are also important for us to understand the quality of the training materials. Everything that we did regarding the IRIStart training courses and materials are fully aligned with quality assurance criteria that allows us to say that the training materials and courses that were developed in the project can and contribute also for achieving the purposes of the Pact for Skills, meaning ensure the attractiveness of the agri-food sector for young people, and also foster upskilling and reskilling opportunities for workers and employers in line with the lifelong learning approach.